This is a good time to point out some of the common features of the MIT Mathlets. Briefly, all the MIT Mathlets exhibit a high degree of interactivity, narrow focus, multiple linked representation of information, click and drag control rather than keyboard, and a uniformity of style and convention. Finally, let's ask, what are the advantages of the use of this technology that were brought out by this example? I think you can distinguish several different ones. First, the visual cortex occupies a large amount of real estate in the human brain. Visualization is a great way to convey information. Moreover, many parts of mathematics have a large geometric or visual component. Linear phase portraits provides a great example of this. Second, in teaching mathematics, one often has to cope with a tension between the general and the particular. Students understand general statements through particular cases. In fact, we all do that. But if you write down a special case, it's not necessarily evident what aspects of it generalize and what are accidental. The Mathlets allow you, or better, the student, to explore a whole continuous range of special cases. Together, they convey a much better picture of the general case than any small number of special cases can. Now, on to the next segment.